Hello everyone, hope you all fine. Today I am going to explain you exercise 4.3 question number 6. Now in question number 6 onward we will solve. See what is in the question number 6. If the work done by the body on the application of the constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of the equation of two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 unit and also read the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit and 0 unit. So first you should understand that what is given in the question. So what is given in the question I will tell you. Now see that I have written the language. Let the work done be x units and the distance traveled be y units. Now according to the question, what is given in the question? In the question it is given that if the work done, that's mean x, is directly proportional to the y. It is the proportionality sign. You will study about it in the physics. Now see that what is the mean by proportionality sign. Proportionality means if one value is increasing, then the second value should also be increased. Like direct variation you have also studied in class 8th. So you can see that if you are applying, it is obvious that I think everybody can understand that if we are applying the force more, the distance traveled by the body will be more. If we apply the less force, the distance traveled by the body is less. Now you have to understand that how you cannot draw with the help of this equation. So for that you need a equal to sign. So for converting the proportionality sign in equal to, you need a constant. You have to put the value of constant here. But it is given in the question that what is the constant value? The constant value is 5. So here is the equation, which is the relation between the force applied and the distance traveled. Now you can see that we have to find out the two values. The two values are 2 unit and 0 unit. What is the 2 unit? The distance is 2 unit and the distance is 0 unit. Now when the first one, the distance is y, it is given in the question, and y is 2 unit. First you have to put y is equal to 2, then the force x is equal to y into 2, that's mean x equal to 10. That's mean the first point is 10 comma 2. Don't write it 2 comma 10 because first we have to write the x value, x coordinate, and x coordinate is 10. Now the second value is distance y is equal to 0 unit. So you can see that when x is equal to 5y, that means is equal to 0, then x equal to 0. So you can see that the second point is 0 comma 0. Now you are having 2 points, and according to these 2 points you can draw the graph. I will show you how. Now you can see that we have 2 points, 10 comma 2 and 0 comma 0. According to these 2 points only you can draw the graph. Otherwise you can take some more points also. You can put some more values of x or y and you can find out the different values of coordinate, and according to this you can draw the graph. Otherwise you can draw the graph with the help of these 2 points only. I have prepared a graph for you. You can see that this one. You can see that I have not taken the whole blocks in this. You can take the equal values, either the whole block or the half block also. Otherwise you can take the 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit also, or you can draw it like that only. Now the first point is 2 comma 10. So you can see that we are in the origin first. First we have to move in the x coordinate, and x coordinate we will move 2, and then the y coordinate and we will move here 10. So this is the point 2 comma 10. Now the another point is 0 comma 0, and 0 comma 0 is origin. That's mean it is 0 comma 0. Now we will join the line with the help of origin and this, and we will draw it like that. Though I am drawing it with the help of hand, but you have to use the scale. You can see that I have just draw the line, it is tilted, but your line should be straight. If the line is straight, then only your answer is correct. Otherwise your answer is incorrect. Now move to the next question. See the next question. In the next question you can see that the Yamini and Fatima are the 2 students of class 9 of the school, and they are contributing 100 rupees to the Prime Minister Relief Fund and to help the earthquake victims. Now you have to change this into the linear equation in one variable. So what will you do this in this question? See that in this question how we will make the equation. You will write first, let the contribution of Yamini be rupees X and the Fatima be rupees Y. I am not doing anything in this question because these two things are given in the question only. Now you can see that the both of the girls have contributed 100 rupees, means X rupees by Yamini and Y rupees by Fatima. Now we will add these two and we will get 100. Now we have to draw the graph also for that. So for that, for an example, I have make a small graph, but you will do it in the graph copy. So first you will make the graph like that, but you can see that there is a big quantity like 100. When you will plot this, you have to take the quantity of X in the form of 10, 20, minus 10, minus 20. So you will take the scale as 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. So I have drawn like that 10, 20, 30, minus 10, minus 20, 10, 20, 30 in the y-axis also, and 10, 20, 30, minus 10 in the negative y-axis also. Now if you will put the value of x, so the value of x must be put in the form of x equal to 10 or x equal to minus 10 like that, or you can put x equal to 0 also and y is equal to 0 also. So in that case, but I will prefer you to put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, because when you will put x equal to 0 you will get y is equal to 100, and when you will put y is equal to 0 you will get x equal to 100. That means you will get 2 points like 0 comma 100 and 100 comma 0. So these 2 points you will locate in this graph like 10, 20, 30, 100. The first one is 0 comma 100. You will get somewhere there, and 100 comma 0. So 100 comma 0 you will get here. Now if you will join the line, you will get such a line, and this is the answer of the